It rarely gets as beautiful as this.
You are so right about that.
I hope this rain never ends.
It is beautiful, isn't it?
Are these fish fresh today? Yes, they are the morning's catch. Look at these fresh fish I caught for you.
Oh, they are beautiful. Let's make a curry.
It is really coming down out there.
Perfect weather for this hot stew.
This is going to be delicious. Perfect for a rainy day like this.
It certainly will, my dear.
It smells absolutely delicious already.
Perfect for a rainy day like this.
Wow, this is absolutely delicious.
I'm so glad you like it, dear. It is almost ready.
Smells absolutely delicious.
It is perfect for a rainy day.
Yes, it smells delicious. I cooked this fresh catch just for you.
It is absolutely delicious.
This fresh fish curry is going to be perfect for a rainy day like this.
It certainly is. It smells absolutely delicious.
Listen to the rain falling outside.
I am just glad to be here with you.